kuna watu wamekasirika sana kwa sababu ya vile Bishop Ben alifanya, na wako na right ya kukasirika kwa sababu alikuwa amesema mbeleni kitu contrary to what he did. And of course huwa tunasema Mungu ni mwema kila wakati Mungu ni mwema, but what we don't know is that humans are good time to time, not every time. Sasa hata shida haipo hapo, ni ile nikifikiria because of how online imekuwa, nikafikiria mpaka kwa ground ni the same. Sasa I was talking to some guy mwenye alikuwa amewekewa kanisa na bishop wake, let me say that, but akashindwa kukaa for given reasons. So as we were having conversation, ali bring up hiyo ya Bishop Ben, na akaniuliza swali ambayo pia mimi singeweza kujibu. Akaniuliza watu wanasema vile Bishop Ben amefanya vibaya, ni watu wangapi wanasaidia watu vile anasaidia? So and I came to realize one thing, that Noah alibuild kitu yenye ingesaidia kila mtu, kitu yenye ingesave kila mtu mwenye angesikia, kitu yenye ilikuwa like isave, so the world had not to haingeanza na yeye peke yake na familia yake, but because of people's ideas, ignorant na maybe wivu, wakaona huyo jamaa hajui vile anafanya. So this is the point I'm bringing home. Ninajua inaweza uma watu wengi, but this is the truth. Just like that guy told me that mimi nikiweza patana na mtu kama Bishop Ben, mimi hata akubali ni serve under one of his churches, I would. Lakini kajiuliza, kwani huyu afikiri na asikii vinye huyo bishop amepigwa na watu wengi? Then he went ahead to tell me that wale watu huwa Bishop Ben anasaidia, regardless, unajua watu wataleta mambo mingi sana ikishikanishwa na hiyo, but we have seen even people we know. We have seen that kama ni pikipiki mtu alipewa, tunapatanaga naye huko town akifanya nayo kazi. So it's a real help that we have seen. But you know what? Have you ever known that destruction is easier than construction? And it is easier said than done. So at least mgala muue na haki umpe. Fikiria yale mambo mazuri yamefanya, yakiweza linganishwa na mabaya, iwekelewe kwa ratili, ni gani itaangusha ingine? I will say like that man. Mimi kama ningekuwa na kitu kama upasta ndani yangu, ama nikuwe nimesoma theology, I would work with him in the sense that he is a human. Msifikirie mtu akikuwa bishop anaacha kuwa mwanadamu. No. He need you. Ukiweza kaa chini na yeye muongee mawili matatu na anaona sense vile unasema, trust me, he can change. I want to wind up with this. I have worked with different churches in the sense that either as a trainer, nafunza watu huko guitar, piano ama drums, ama pia ninalipwa. Let me say that because it is true. Ninalipwa kila Sunday ninacheza. Mimi vile mnaniona hapa, I would be very very hypocritical kama ningesema ati mtu kama Bishop Ben akiweza nipea chance ya kucheza kanisa yake siwezi. Naweza kimbia sana because I have seen him helping people, and I'm also striving to earn my daily need through this. Na kama hiyo ndio itanisaidia, I always say this, gaya giathana utire kidu itagiathika. If God says that something has to be done, doesn't matter who is sent to do it. Na kama saizi huwa naweza kwenda, for those who don't know, let me break this to you. I sing even in gardens, restaurants, clubs, And I have never seen a greater inspiration other than to do what you know it's right, regardless of where you are doing it at. So wacha wivu isitumalize ama ituharibu sisi, badala hata ya kujaribu kusaidia huyo mtu unaona ako wrong. Sasa wivu inakunyonga, una feel vibaya sana, unaona ni kama na mtu akiongea, especially online, many people are willing to throw stones on you. I'll say this, I know Bishop Ben maybe hata waiona hii, you know, I'm not a celeb, I'm not known anywhere, but maybe follower wake mmoja ataona hii. Let Bishop know that whatever he have done to help many people that we have seen, that's what will stand for him. It doesn't matter whether him hosting the president is right or wrong. That doesn't matter to me because I don't know much about it. Lakini kitu ninajua, as much as leadership is concerned, haufai kumtusi ama kumkejeli anayekuongoza, especially a president. He is chosen by God himself. Hata akiwa mbaya aje, is chosen by God. So hosting him is just one way of honoring him. Lakini hiyo ni opinion yangu binafsi. But wivu ya kusema ati mimi sijui niliona hivi, trust me. Hata wewe kama ungekuwa pastor na upate ati chance ya kuwork under him, you would run. You would run. Saizi wale watu wako wa instruments, I want to assume wanapata kitu. Saizi nipate ati nimeitwa huko, I would run. Because anyway, if you are waiting for God, the Holy God, to come and sit that somewhere so that you be going and working for him, two things are going to happen. Number one, you will never have the ability of changing anything that is wrong. Number two, wewe una expect kitu yenye haiwezi happen. So it is good to stay. And let me tell you, I have been with these leaders, bishops, great people in the ministry. They are very ready to sit down and listen. But if you are always ready to smell the rotten eggs and you are not ready to lay the good ones, you are as bad, probably as more than I may want to mention. So let Bishop know that we know his work, he have done a lot, and that is what some of us take home. We don't care what online is saying. We still love him. And not because of any other thing. Kwa sababu mimi I believe, if kama mtu amesaidika kwingine, let me tell you the truth, huyo mtu hataenda akiombaomba. So hautawahi patana naye akikuomba chenye hata labda huna. So it is so painful to be led by jealousy in our decision making. Have a nice time. So kama wewe ni follower wake na una feel kwamba whatever he is doing is right, now don't be moved by the wave. Be moved by the reality that is facing you right now.